all I did was weave it with a all I did was weave it with a weaving. All I did was weave it with a weaving. All I did was weave it with a weave.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys 10 ways to style a waterfall jacket. I already have a tutorial on my channel where I show you how to make a waterfall jacket without sewing. If you want to see that video, then don't forget to click the link right here. Now this waterfall jacket, a lot of you have asked me to make a video where I style it in different ways, and by a lot of you I mean 3 of you, or maybe 2. Whatever the case is, 2 people requesting for the same video is more than enough for me to make a video on that subject. So if you want to see 10 different ways to style your waterfall jacket, then definitely keep on watching. Now if you don't know what a waterfall jacket is, it's simply a very cute jacket, and this is what it looks like. This is another waterfall jacket. It's just the same jacket I just showed you, but the grey color. This waterfall jacket, I made them with a scuba fabric. Which one is your favorite actually? Is it the royal blue one I just took off, or this grey one? Which is your favorite? Now this is yet another waterfall jacket, but as you can see, it's made out of chiffon fabric. It's the same exact process. The other 2 I just showed you, those ones were made with a scuba fabric. This one was made with a chiffon fabric. Now, if you don't already know, a chiffon fabric is not self-finished. By self-finished, I mean a fabric that is not free. A chiffon fabric is not self-finished. And what that means is that a chiffon fabric actually frays. So what I did was I went ahead to weave the edges with a weaving machine. And that way it stopped it from fraying. I didn't do any actual sewing on this. All I did was weave it with a weaving machine. That's all I did to this jacket. Unlike the other ones, I didn't weave it and I didn't sew it. So it's no sew, no weave, no glue, no nothing, just cut and wear. But this one, because it's chiffon, I decided to weave it so it does not fray. You can wear it like this. It kind of looks like a poncho, but this is what it looks like. It looks very chic, very classy, very nice. Yeah. You can wear it like this, where it clearly looks like a sleeveless jacket, and it makes it look very chic, very cute, very nice. Huh? So yeah, this goes very, very well. Just by adding a belt, it literally changes this jacket. The jacket looks so much different now with the belt. Okay. A belt really changes the look, it switches it up all the way. Like there's a lot of ways to wear this jacket. You can see I previously brought down the collar. Now I'm taking the collar upwards so it's more on my neck than on my shoulder. And yeah, it makes it look completely different. Okay, so with and without the belt, these are so many ways to style this jacket. With a waterfall jacket, with and without a belt, you have 2 different looks. Yeah, this is what this one looks like. Now this is another classy way to wear your waterfall jacket. Look at this, guys. Because this is blue, it goes nicely with the black and the brown. It's so beautiful, so chic. The trouser kind of gives it a bit of a softer look, you know? And I really love how this pairs together. Another beautiful way to rock your waterfall jacket, especially if you're in a cold place. So this would definitely keep you warm. Waterfall jacket is made from a thick scuba fabric, and so it actually helps you stay warm. And then when it's paired with a long sleeve black top like this one and a black trouser like this, you're definitely sure you're going to be warm. This is actually a very lovely way to wear your waterfall jacket. It looks really chic, looks really nice. And you can definitely put a nice jewelry down here that will actually come down and sit right here on your bust area. That will be very cute and very flattering. So yeah, this is really cute. Another way is to put this up like this and simply arrange this so all of the collar sits on your neck and not on your shoulder. because the first one, all of the collar is literally on your shoulder, but for this one, all of the collar is on your neck, right? So that kind of changes it all the way. So this is another way to style your waterfall jacket. So with this as a base, I'm going to show you another way to style your waterfall jacket. You can style it like this. Just throw the jacket over it and boom, you have yourself a beautiful outfit. This is another cute way to style your waterfall jacket. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Suggest more videos that you would like me to upload for you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!